Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video tutorial. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to cook this omelette toast. So I'm speaking in English because if you cannot understand the English language, so you watch this video so you can easily understand what I'm using to prepare these recipes. So let's start. Before making an omelette toast, what raw material you should need? 1 onion this size, 2 green chilies, garlic, 1 spoon salt. This is not ordinary salt, rock salt. 4 pieces slice, 2 eggs, especially chicken eggs, boiler chicken eggs. Is it enough? So now I'm to cut everything into small pieces. Everything cut. And cut ginger, cut onion, and cut garlic. It is a very small pieces. Small pieces, just like this. Now my raw material are ready to use. So onion, green chili, garlic, 5 pieces, 2 eggs, chicken eggs, already break it. So how it mix, and rock salt. Rock salt is good for health. So mix it, the rock salt 50%, rock salt. We need 50% onion. Mix it here. %50 onion, 50% green chili, and 50% garlic, and mix it well. And to fry it, I have taken a mustard oil. So in the other hand, you can take a white oil, refined oil, sesame oil. No, sesame oil is not good for bake it. Refined oil, soybean oil, sunflower oil. Sunflower is good for health. Or peanut oil. Peanut oil is also good for health. So generally and traditionally, all people are using sunflower oil and peanut oil, but don't use the ghee or clarified butter. I have mixed it well. Now it is ready to cook. Now I am gonna take this mix and spread it well. Use flat vessels and pour the oil. When oil turn into heated, this is the mustard oil. We Indian traditionally use the mustard oil. Mustard oil is good for health. instead of sunflower oil, because our India we cannot get the sunflower oil easily. All are adulteration. And after some time, again mix, again spread this mix over here. And flip it. So this time we want to use the oil to fry well. Use 2 times oil. And continues your cooking. So I want to show you, I have already made 2 pieces, 1, 2. So this is optional. You can cut this toast in half size. So you can see here the toast already done. Use 2 times oil to make it fry, because very good aroma already come out from here. Very super taste. I think it will be very tasteful. So in the early morning, it is good for breakfast. Now this is optional. You can cut it this bread in half in size.